Hey folks, thanks for joining me today. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. It's going to be like in the 20 degrees today, Celsius that is. And I thought for something a little different, we're going to hop on the East River ferry here in Astoria, and we're going to head down to the Wall Street area in Manhattan. I was on this ferry a couple of years ago, but it's been a while, so I figured let's give it a go. Hopefully it won't be too crazy busy, so I don't get all paranoid of trying to record myself in front of people. Then we'll head into the city and walk around Wall Street for a while and see what's happening. The sun is getting a little high at the moment, higher than I actually thought it would, so we'll see if that helps with my light and shadows or not. There's a few wispy clouds in the sky, so it's nice. At least it's not completely blue. So yeah, so that's the plan for today. Stick around and we'll see what we can find. I love all these seagulls sitting on top of the canopy here, but of course I only had a 40mm, but I took a shot, and if I can make anything out of it, I'll post it up now. So we're up the ferry, and I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't. I don't know. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but it wasn't quite what I was expecting. I'm not sure if I got any good photographs or not, but you guys will have known because I'll have posted them already. But yeah, it was still fun to get on the ferry. It's crazy windy up on deck, of course. But yeah, I'm here now here in Wall Street, and we'll take a walk around and see what we can find. I'll probably strap the camera to my chest and just do POV style, but yeah. Stick around and see what happens. Laters.